All right, guys, Nick from TeamCorn. Here she is. This is our prototype of the version 2 Ahsoka. She's really, really beautiful. We're very proud of her. The first one has sold, and the first one is ready and shipping today, actually. Since there's a little bit of an assembly required, I want to go ahead and do a video, and hopefully this is the first of many videos overviewing some of our products. But since there's minimal assembly, I just want to kind of highlight what you'll need to do when it arrives. So yeah, let's get into it. The glue that's coming is just a one-time use, so you're going to use it and just toss it away. We're going to twist, it's going to pop the seal, and we're going to be ready to go. Take your glue, you don't even need a lot. You're just going to do the rim of this square opening. You don't even need to worry about the top. This is pretty friction fit, so just enough glue in there. Take, slide on, and hold that for 20 seconds. Attach, hold for 20 seconds. Now that the arms are attached, let's go ahead and go over attaching the lightsaber blades. Now, these blades are optional. You don't have to display them if you don't want to. You can have one on, one off, this one on, that one off. Doesn't matter, both off. They don't have to be glued either. I wouldn't glue them because I'd want the option, and depending on the room you have, she does come out pretty long. So if you want to back her up on a wall on a bookshelf, you might need that option. So as we know, left hand is the smaller blade. And all you're going to do is take the peg, pop it into the hole, and lightly with a screwing motion as if you're turning a screw, you're just going to kind of dial it until it seats nice. Just like that. And you're going to repeat it on the other side. Oh, and there you go. That is a Ahsoka put together and ready for display. So I appreciate you taking the time to look at her, or at least look at this video, and if you bought it, I really appreciate you buying it. She takes a lot of time, and I know she can feel a little expensive, but it's a really good display piece, and if you really like the character, I really, really, really know that you'll like this. There's not many products like this that are even offered out there, so we're glad that we can offer these like nice little custom pieces of artwork for you. Yeah, but please, if you have any trouble at all, let me know. If something chips, breaks, I can help you out for sure. I do know these are delicate, and I do know it's asking a little bit of customers to. I do know it's asking a little bit of you guys to actually have to glue something yourself. You've paid a lot of money. You're waiting for some time, so I get that. So I'm definitely willing to help you guys out if need be. One thing I wanted to note though, on these sabers, so in order, and some of you guys might know this, some of you guys might not, but here's a bit of a 3D print lesson. Come here. All right. So there's a few different styles of 3D printing. There's FDM and there's SLA. FDM printing is like this, right? It's the liney stuff. You see it all over the place. Makes that noise when you scratch it. The way FDM printing works is this little nozzle raises up and just drops little plastic. The other style of 3D printing is resin printing. And Ahsoka, because she's so detailed, has to be a hybrid of both. Her arms and her sabers are resin because I really wanted the high detail on the fingers. So this is what her arms look like raw, okay? That's her arm raw. See how detailed that is? And I also wanted her lightsabers to be just as defined. I wanted a perfect circle. I didn't want any lines. I really just wanted those pieces to pop. They're staple pieces of her, so they needed to be perfect. Taking that in consideration, you want to be careful on these lightsaber pegs. Those pegs, they're resin. They can snap. So you don't want to be torquing them. You just lightly want to do a bit of a screw. So let me just show you how brittle this can be. So here's a test lightsaber for another product, right? That can snap. This is brittle. It can bend a little bit, but that's just because of the size of this. That little peg, which is a nice little comparison to that peg there, snaps this easy. Okay? You do not want to bend this way. You want to lightly press it in. So this is also one of the reasons why we're not shipping her assembled. She can break. So please be careful. We really appreciate it. Let me know if you need any help. TeamCorn.